breaking news coming in right now. Today is the day when the new slabs of GST were rolled out, and yesterday Congress was quick at criticizing the government and calling it a band-aid. Now the centre is hitting back at the opposition for its criticism. Ashwini Vaishnav, the union minister, has said that the opposition hates it when Indians save. Remember, the Bachat Utsav of the government has also started, and the government has said that Indians will be saving big thanks to these GST reforms. And now Ashwini Vaishnav is saying that it was the UPA, when it was formulating its GST, it had taxed sanitary pads at 13% and cement at 30%, and claim that they have reduced both. Let's listen to what Ashwini Vaishnav said today.
हमारे विपक्ष के साथी वो इस बचत से खुश नहीं है। स्वाभाविक है, उनके समय में केवल बातें होती थी, काम तो होता नहीं था। जीवन के हर मोड़ पे यूपीए के समय में टैक्स का बड़ा एक टेरर था। चाहे हमारी इंडस्ट्रीज हो, चाहे एमएसएमईज हो, चाहे बिजनेसेस हो, उनके ऊपर टैक्स का टेरर था। मोदी जी ने आके 2014 के बाद में पहले जो 50 टैक्सों का मकड़जाल था उसको दूर करके एक यूनिफाइड जीएसटी लेके आए। यूनिफाइड जीएसटी जब सब जगह एक्सेप्टेबल हो गई, तब उसमें और नया नेक्स्ट जनरेशन रिफॉर्म्स लेके आए।
And moving on to another breaking news, this time from United Kingdom. It seems while Donald Trump has hiked the H-1B visa fee and made a one-time $100,000 fee for those visas, UK is planning to attract the talent. In a diametrically opposite step, it is planning to drop its own visa fee so that they can attract the global talent towards them. In fact, it is being said that the Prime Minister's team wants to make it easier to attract people from top universities as US moves in opposite direction. Joining us now is India Today Global's Pranay Upadhyay on the phone line. Pranay, a huge step if it is taken by the Prime Minister of UK, because globally the talent will be available.
Indeed, Anjali, and Keir Starmer, the British Prime Minister, has instituted a global task force to attract more talent to United Kingdom. And this task force is considering very many ideas, including doing away with the visa fee for the top talent, especially the STEM talent, the science, technology, electronics, and mathematics. These are the areas which are the areas of focus. And if you have seen that Mr. Keir Starmer is trying to revive the UK economy, post-Brexit, the UK economy is facing a lot of challenges, and to attract a lot of talent, especially to UK universities, as well as the other tech institutions and the entrepreneurship sector of United Kingdom, Prime Minister Keir Starmer is exploring various other ideas. However, there is no confirmation about how soon this scheme will be launched, but definitely UK remains an attractive destination for even Indian students. There are also efforts for the migration and mobility agreement. Recently, India and UK signed an FTA, which is likely to get enforced in coming months, and that remains an attractive destination for the Indian student as well as the Indian entrepreneur.
Absolutely, and we'll be keeping an eye on this as Indians and top talent of India would also be interested in knowing what developments happen. Thank you.